Shakas, Aloha Crafty friends, it's Maka from Maka's Home. I'd like to welcome all my new subbies and welcome back any of my returning crafty friends. Today I am celebrating World Card Making Day and have been asked to join 3 amazing, talented YouTube crafters in celebrating this day. I will leave links to their channels in the description box below. Aloha Kathy, Aloha Tree, Aloha Marianne. I'm so thankful to be in this collaboration with all of you lovely ladies. So World Card Making Day, or WCMD, the acronym it is known by, is celebrated annually and on the first Saturday in October. The day first began in 2006 and was created by Paper Craft magazine as a way to encourage crafters to get a head start on their holiday season. I'm not sure about all of that or the validity of this information, but it sounds good, right? I was going to first just make any card that I was inspired to make to celebrate the day, but since learning the recent information, I've decided to get a jump start on my holiday cards too. I'm here today to share some Christmas cards that I'm working on to be able to use this coming Christmas. Please hit the like button below and consider sharing this video with another crafty friend. If you are new here, welcome again, and I hope you consider subscribing and joining our small ohana here. So if you've seen my unboxing of my latest card kit club from the Stamps of Life, you will see that this was the kit I got. And I'm going to first try to make this card here. Yeah, I'm going to make this card here that was one of the inspirations that they gave you. And then I'm going to try to punch out a whole bunch of cards, and I'm going to use this sheet load of card sketch from Crafty Al. Sorry for the glare. Call me Crafty Al. I'll have her link in the description box below. So first, when I do get my kit, I do kind of take it apart. I die cut everything I can die cut. And if you've been here for a while, you will know the kit goes with your die kit, your die hard kit, and the die will cut out some of the images in your paper pad. So I go ahead and cut all of those out, and so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I've die cut all the things I'm gonna die cut out of the paper. I've punched out the chipboard that came with the kit. I've assembled and put my sentiments that I'm going to use, because remember, I am going to recreate this. So I am going to put it together, start tying my bows for this, and assemble the card, and I will be back. Okay, I'm back, and these are the 2 cards that I ended up making from this inspiration card. So I just copied it, really. And one of them flips up, and I just added this present here, stamp my little stamp on the back, and then the other one opens side to side, and I put the present there again with my stamp on the back. So that's the first 2. Stay tuned, I'll have more. Hello crafty friends. Okay, so I'm back, and these are the finished cards. I ended up with 10 of them. You saw me do these earlier, and then I completed these, and all of the insides are blank, and I did add this little present and added my stamp. So those, these, this, and this one. So these are my cards I'm sharing with, or not with, but for World Card Making Day. I hope you guys join in on the fun and celebrate. Remember, every year it falls on the first Saturday in October. I see that there's lots of events going on YouTube here and probably on other platforms. So you'll have lots of inspiration And if you check out the ladies below that I'm in this collab with, you'll find even more inspiration. Like I said, their links will be in the description box below. Thank you for staying through this video. I am having a giveaway. I'm giving away one of these sets. It'll be random, but you'll get one of, you know, each of the different styles of cards. So you'll end up with 5 cards, I believe. And all you need to do is leave a comment below. And I will do a random drawing on, I will announce the winner on October 10th. So you'll have up until October 9th to enter at midnight. And on October 10th, I will do the drawing. And it is for, like I said, a set of these cards. You must be a subscriber, 18 years of older. It can be international or US. And that's pretty much it. So happy World Card Making Day. Hope you guys are having a crafty one. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas!